Okay, so hi, here we are again in another day. Today is Saturday, and yeah, I'm recording this on Saturday because yesterday was Friday. I left from work and then I had a dinner, so I'm recording this today. Okay, so well, first of all, we're gonna start with EU. As you can see, we were in a downtrend here, and yesterday we took this round equity on each one to the left, that took this one to the left too. That was the one that broke this one, okay? So, and that took this one, okay? So here I was looking for sells. Even better, there's nothing to the left here. There's no liquidity to reverse. So I wanted to look for a continuation, but yeah, there was no possibility to enter here on Asia New York session. And well, yeah, there was nothing. Okay, so just this high taken. Here we had a breakup structure, but no confirmation here. Okay, and there's nothing to the left that took round liquidity really. So yeah, nothing there. GBP/USD. We took the round liquidity on H1, we had a reaction, and here we took this round liquidity on H1, which yesterday I had this marked up, but this one more or less the same. As I said yesterday, I was looking for sells, and yeah, I got the stop loss here, but probably the good one was here. Okay, so I'm not sure about that, but well, it's okay. Then yesterday. We took this, well, this was the low that broke this high to the left. So for me, this was the round liquidity on M5. We were, for me, in an SMT. This candle for me was an SMT. And it worked perfectly because we had this move to the upside, fake breakup structure, and I was looking for a sell here, but I couldn't because it never confirmed. It broke the structure and it went down. On H1, yeah, you have no confirmation really. Like these candles, okay, but breakup structure and nothing else. Oh my god, sorry. And then we took this round liquidity on H1 that took this high to the left. So at least I was expecting this high to be taken for a continuation, and it took that. But here I was at work, so I saw this breakup structure to the downside, and I don't know if I would have traded that because the POI was here or here, yeah, maybe on H1 on M1 because it was all mitigated. So maybe I was waiting for this high to be taken, but maybe with this POI we could have looked for a sell, but then we had this candle, so the entry should have been something like this, and the target here, so it's not worth it. Okay, I at least look for one to four trades. So yeah, that was not worth it. We took the round with the M5 here, and then it went sideways. Okay. Next, use the CHF. Here we had. Let me draw this for you because we had here. We started having an uptrend. Well, fake break here, and then boom, it exploded to the upside, and yeah, here it was something like this. Okay, so at least I was looking for this high to be taken because it's like I can see here break and retest traders entering here, like breaking this low and entering here. It took this round liquidity on H1. So I was expecting this to be taken, as here I think there's breakout and break and retest traders liquidity, but well, in this moment it never took that. And yeah, well, yeah, okay, so I was looking for sells. but it wasn't really clear. We had this liquidity here, we had round liquidity on M5 here, which it could explain this movement to the downside. Nothing on London, and on New York, nothing too, because we had this break here, yes. Then we had a mitigation here, but the movement was so slow, so nothing at all. Okay. But well, as you can see, this was here, so I think here we have a lot of liquidity, even more with these highs, equal highs. So well, it's okay. Let's see next week. And Nasdaq here. Oh, bad. Okay, it was here. We had a strong move to the upside, taking this previous weekly high, and I don't know if there's liquidity to the left. Yeah, I don't know this high if it's round liquidity. I think it could be, but sorry again. It was too far, so I don't look for that. Here we had a fake break to the downside, and I expected the buy here, but it was so late the other day. Okay, then we had this day here for the sell, and here I was expecting. I wasn't sure because, as you can see, the candles are with wicks, so I can understand that there are buyers here. And I don't know if here we have. Probably we took this because break of structure here. And then break of structures here, so this round equity probably. So this round liquidity. So as you can see, it's pretty difficult to understand round liquidity because we could have round liquidity here and here. Okay, so maybe we had it, but this one is relevant too, as you can see, and this makes this low relevant. So this low made the price reverse, and now it's creating a higher high. Okay, so a change of structure. But well, I could have looked for sells, but I wasn't really sure, so I just marked up this round liquidity on each one, which I don't usually trade because it's the break of structure on each one. I wanted to look for a buy really here, but I wasn't really sure. It was out of timing here, 640. I'm sleeping, and then it broke to the upside. I could have looked for a sell, but as I said, maybe understanding that these weeks are like buyers are still in. I don't like entering with the break of structure. Well, yeah, as you can see, it went down, then it went up, it took the liquidity here, round liquidity on M5, and then it went down again, and well, yeah, it continued going down, it took the round liquidity on each one, and boom, to the upside, okay? So, well, this was my Friday, no trades, and well, that's it. See you tomorrow, and let's tomorrow. See you on Monday, and let's see what can we do. Okay. So I hope you have a good weekend, and well, see you on Monday.